Okay, now some hard drive magnets, they come with a locating lug on the back. Don't try and file it off, otherwise you'll have filings all over the magnet. Okay, so what I'm doing is I've marked it out. That's the best way of showing it, I suppose. Right, I've marked it out so that I can drill an indentation for it to sit in. Okay, and then we'll drill out the fixing holes and fix it on. And all I'm doing for the indentation is a decent size drill. Don't try and make it the same size as the indentation unless you've got very accurate abilities to do it. Not you personally, but I mean equipment to help you. Okay, so all we do is very gently okay, then we just clean the outside off like that, and then that magnet will sit, I can get it there, stay still, will sit flush against the timber. And now we can drill the pilot holes for the screws, screw it in place, and then we've got our other locking magnet in place. Right, I shall do that off camera because you all know how to drill holes and screw things on. And then when that's done, I found a couple of bolts which we'll put in the gantry fixing, and we'll go from there. There you are, screwed in place. Don't forget that screw goes up, that screw goes down, because there's not enough meat on the top of here for that one to go up as well. It's just as I said before, to stop it being pulled out of the wood. And there you go, nicely locked in place. Now I think that's quite good. I've got to wait until I get my money tomorrow to go up the DIY and get some more connectors to do this on the back of here. Next bit will be putting in a couple of bolts in the gantry as part of its solid fixing, and we'll do that next. See, I've clamped one part of the base to the table. I've also got an odd bit of timber here so that it keeps it at the same level all the way across. Okay, now this is the bolt I'm going to be using. That will go through there. On the inside underneath, washer will go on, and then butterfly nut. And the reason for the butterfly nut is obviously so that we can take it apart at a later date for if we want to store it somewhere, which I do. I mean, you might not, you can use proper nuts and bolts and nylon nuts as well, and permanently have it sitting in your workshop or whatever. But this is ostensibly for people who haven't got a lot of space. Take the first screw out, leave the other two screws in. If you took the other two screws out, this wouldn't drop because it's all supported by the base, but we need that in that alignment because we need to be absolutely certain that we are square at all times. Okay. Right, now we've taken the screw out, we now put the drill in. My drill size is irrelevant because it'll be different for your bolts, so it'll be whatever yours are, but you want it to be a tightish fit. I'll clean it up afterwards. Right, now I'll show you what I mean by a tightish fit. That is tight, okay? And I could probably thread that in, which would help to keep it tight, and I probably will. So what I'm going to do, because it's going to take a long while, I'll do that off camera, and then I'll bring you back, show you me putting the washer and nut on, although no point in that really, because you know it's going to go together anyway. Okay, well I'll do this off camera and then I'll bring you back to show you it fitted, and we can carry on from there.